This video is for entertainment and education purposes only. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks you!
It's this position. We slowly take our breath on and slowly breathe out. On and slowly breathe out. On and breathe out. Our stomach slowly go on the floor. Our shoulders we try take together and stretch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our legs go to our head. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Slowly go down. Take our hands and starting squeeze our body. So 1, take seat. Take one hand on and take circle our hand and starting stretching. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Come back and change head. 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back and last one in another side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. After that we take breathe on. Slowly breathe out. Take 2 blocks for stretching our shoulders. And take it. And starting working. Be careful, your elbows must be strong. So 1, 3, 4, 5. Good work. After that, you take blocks near and starting try do the bridge. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take one leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out and go down and fix our backs. 1, 2,